So here what we were discussing something. What are the things that in pre-production we need? So citation, right?
Yeah.
That is the source.
Source.
Okay, that should be there always. And how do we come up with the topic? Topic we need to come up, right?
Yeah. That is, I don't think that's a process. I think we all talk among ourselves, asking, is this a valid topic, or can we talk about this?
Yeah, but that is not happening right now, right? How is it happening? Mansi will come and put together, and then she talks, right? So
yeah.
Don't you think that we all maybe that needs to be before and then filter? We can take some of the things and then maybe talk about it and prepare for.
It's before for us. We have to take a selected topic and we have to collect the constant good information from the topic.
Okay, yeah.
No, so it is planning and researching, right?
Yeah.
So, like for example, if we take one topic, what was the topic this week?
Net neutrality.
Net. So, did we have enough time to do the research?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Because honestly, we were talking about it a few days later.
Okay.
Because this was a
but this was popular.
Yeah.
But other topics, we are not doing it in that way, right?
No, yeah.
We are randomly picking and then we are putting up there. So we need to have a plan and research. Now, when we do this, we are going to come up with a lot of takeaways. I want takeaways. Just reading news and this thing. What is that you can get out of it? Right? So somebody listening to a podcast, why can't they go and read in Times of India?
Yeah, true.
What is our take in it is important. So that if we do research and plan, we can find out. Now we talked about LinkedIn buying Linda.
But we didn't tell them.
What is in it for me?
No.
Right? So let us take what is in it for me. What am I getting it? Some value add should be there. Okay, so this we can put it as a guideline. This one. That's why I'm coming up with this. Right. So what else?
What is in it for me and.
So now let us talk. So I'll come back to this. Now, what are the shows that we are doing?
Digital India, marketing update.
Weekly update.
Weekly updates.
Weekly update.
Marketer of the week.
Okay, so there is marketer of the week, and then
This is constant and something like today. That's
So
like
Something like
Yeah.
today where it's yeah, we can put it as interview.
interview.
okay, so this is what happening. This is regular. These two are regular. This one is
When we get yeah.
as and
What
when we
kind
go.
of interviews?
Like today, what we did.
Marketing online.
Yeah, we'll take like industry experts or people who we think who have good knowledge in that, and we debate on a topic.
So when does this go?
Wednesday and
Wednesday.
Friday.
Wednesday, and this goes on
Friday.
Friday. So let us talk only about this one as of now. We'll keep
Yeah.
this one later. So how is the preparation done so far?
I think it starts on Monday.
Monday, what is happening?
Monday, I think Mansi collects news from all resources. We sit down and we talk about everything.
So can we collect news from everybody and then put it up there? on
Yeah,
Monday?
that's what we do. But
Okay.
what she does is, I think she types it out on her laptop. She creates like a news report and then she reads it.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll have finalized content on Monday. We'll finalize on the topic,
Topic.
right?
No, sir. We'll do one thing. Wednesday is going out, right? So we have Tuesday. Monday we'll collect the topics. By Monday, let the file go out. By Tuesday morning, it should be finalized and the recording should happen on Tuesday.
Yes. That's what.
Yeah. So by
So,
Wednesday.
Monday collecting the news.
Yeah.
Tuesday it's going to
Finalize topics and recording. Yeah.
Okay. So finalize topic and record happens. Then Wednesday goes up.
Yeah.
So now there is a process and people involved in this, right?
Yeah.
Who are all involved in this?
Pretty much we are.
Pretty much everyone.
Okay, can we anybody? But mainly Mansi and Me
I would love to
and
collect
you.
news.
Yes.
I like to read, so I.
You and you also going to do it. So everybody can contribute.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
we'll basically, if nobody is there, somebody needs to take that responsibility.
Yeah.
Okay, so you both and me, three of us we can put.
Okay.
Okay, now, so three of us will collect and give it. But so this is one part of it, and there is another end part of it. What is that? Tips. General,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
General digital marketing tips. Correct.
Yeah.
That where is the content going now?
I have shared with you.
In that.
Yeah.
Google
Drive,
Drive.
the same drive.
In the
Shared with
drive,
you and
okay.
as well as
So-
Nancy.
Now, this we can put it from here. We are going to take how much we can take? 3
Yeah.
3 tips.
Probably a tip from everyone who's doing the pod. Oh no, but weekly updates only done by Mansi. right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 3. Yeah.
So 3 tips.
Mm.
3 tips. If we are going to do now, so this needs to be collected again, which is happening in the drive.
Monday itself. Yeah.
So this one will not wait for Monday, but as and when we get update, we'll just throw it in there,
Yeah.
and then it will be there.
Like a
From there we
database.
can- Yes.
Yeah.
From there we can pick it up. Okay, so now the format is like this, finalizing, but here is what we have to come. What is the takeaway? Can we all contribute to that? So what is your opinion? For example, LinkedIn bought Linda. What would your take be?